This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab and dough. First, let's prepare our dough. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 7 grams of active dry yeast. Dissolve the yeast in 1/2 cup of warm water, around 105 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. This ensures your dough will rise beautifully. Once your yeast is active, combine it with the flour and salt in a large bowl. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes, or until it has doubled in size. While your dough is rising, let's prepare the delicious crab filling. You'll need about 8 ounces of cooked crab meat. Make sure to flake it and remove any shell fragments. In a pan, sauté 1/4 cup of finely diced onion and 2 minced cloves of garlic until fragrant. Combine the crab meat with the sautéed aromatics, fresh herbs like chives, and a pinch of salt and pepper for a flavorful filling. Now for the exciting part, assembly and cooking. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and divide it into 12 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a small circle, about 3 to 4 inches in diameter. Place 1 tablespoon of your prepared crab filling in the center of each dough circle. Fold and seal the edges to create your desired shape, like a dumpling or bun. Steam them for about 15 minutes until cooked through. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.